from?
China.
I have something that I really want you to listen. I'm making a research. I want you to see your reaction to something I'm going to give you. I have something that I really want you to listen. It doesn't matter. I just want to see how you feel when you listen to it. I have something that I would like you to listen to. Do it. You're just gonna listen to it. It's nothing.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Where is the right or left?
You good?
وقيل من راق وظن أنه الفراق كلا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق وقيل من راق وظن أنه الفراق.
It's peaceful.
It's peaceful. Oh. How did it make you feel? Oh, it sounded like a poem? Oh.
It made me feel relaxed.
Relaxed.
Yeah.
I think it makes me feel at peace.
In peace.
Yeah.
It's good, very relaxing music.
Relaxing?
Yes.
So how does it make you feel? Musk? Oh.
I think the man want to compare something, but the beat have a desire for something.
This is not music, this is actually the Quran. You know the Quran?
Quran?
Yeah.
This Quran?
Yeah, it's the Islamic holy book. Yeah, it's not the azab. It's not the holy book. No.
Oh, what is it?
It's actually the Quran, the holy book of Islam. It's not a poem. It's not a song either. It's the holy book of Islam. This is Quran. You know Quran?
Quran, yeah.
Holy book of Islam. We make YouTube videos explaining Islam scientifically and logically. No, it's not a prank video.
So what are you trying to get out of all this? YouTube hits?
No. We actually seek God's pleaseness, if that makes sense. It's basically most tourists don't know about the Quran and you fear what you don't know.
Yeah.
We wanted to see how tourists react to it. So thank you for your reaction.
Yeah.
And this is for a YouTube channel. We recorded it. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man. What was your name?
Alan.
You can see it.
Thank you.